gonna be doing a little avant-garde lineup with a dope taper in the neck, building weight up in the center to make it look like almost a V. It's gonna look sick. And it's gonna complement the avant-garde color that we have here, just like we did in our earlier haircut. So first things first, I'm gonna do a little lineup and then I'm gonna do the detail. We're gonna do a little hoofty whoop in there. That's a technical term. So just like with before, you're gonna end up taking your trimmer, using it like a pencil, pushing in to create the design. Now that we have our detail yet to be refined, we're gonna go ahead and finish the taper and the nape real quick. And how this taper is going to go is I'm gonna create two sides. It's still gonna be shaped in a V pattern, but instead of it being such a harsh line, we're gonna fade it out and make it look hawked, if you will. I will be fading in sections up to my avant-garde point and making it match on the other half. So now to create another additional effect to elevate your line game, what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna create a shelf underneath the avant-garde line here. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna add an extra bit of dimension once we raise her into the line. And that will be our next section. You look down for me. Thank you. And now we're going to do scissor over comb detail. And just like using the thinning shears on the long hair of this haircut, we're using them to go through and soften out any lines or bulk that takes away from the fade. And as for the finishing touches, break your neck. There you go. An avant-garde, simple, yet defined neck taper.